Okay, so we back with another one. Let's see how this is. Now this is called Horse. Now I had seen one of these sort of like on TikTok, the brow tattoo. I'm excited about this. How about you? Really, really cute. All right, so on the instructions, it says that you have to, with the cap on, gently shake before use with light pressure, draw to fill, shape, and define. Okay, so I'm just going to shake this up. And let's see. Oh. Okay, honey, I got to look up to you. Oh, I like. This is cute. Could you tell the difference? You know, I ain't doing nothing out here in these streets but just styling and profiling. That's it, honey. Now, let's do the other one. Now, one of the things I noticed, like it says on the instructions, you want to apply this very lightly. And then just take this like this. My bad, I have to look here so I can see what I'm doing. Ooh, who is she? She is I. Honey, you want to be on the lookout for this. The brow tattoo. Love it. Now, this is fancy. This passed the test. Still there like Holyfield. All right, family, let's head out to check out, shall we? Did you see this? Oh, child. We finna do this. This is the Mood Lip Balm. Get into this packaging. You see the... Chill. They have so many new items here. Check that. You want to stick around for this. Linda, we out here doing it. Check it out. Okay? Check this out, sis. Let's get into... All right. So first up, they have the brow tattoo. I'm going to just go ahead and grab this, okay? They also have the lip oils over here. This is red. This is $1.25. Let me see which other one they have. Oh, these pretty much the same exact thing, okay? Now, when it comes to the Mood Lip Balm, Dollar Tree has... Oh, look at this. So, pink rose, all right? Mood Lip Balm. So, this is going to, honey... tell you what mood you in. All right, so if you're a party pooper, I don't know if you want to get this. All right, now they also have this one as well. Now this is a different color, and how I know is from up here at the top. It says Z01, and then this one says Z02. Okay, and I guess the people been buying this like hotcakes at the Dollar Tree. They also have the highlight cream stick. Oh, child, get into this shimmer. This is $1.25 as well. Oh, they have another a lip oil from Ioni, I think, $1.25. They also have the liquid eyeshadow. You know what? I absolutely love the packaging, how they have this. This is really, really cool. This red is really doing it to me. They also have another liquid eyeshadow. Now, this one is more so like pinkish red. They also have this one as well. This one is more so like a gold tint to it. And then they have this one. And whenever you are at the Dollar Tree and you want to see like, oh, what's the difference? Just in case if it looks the same, to be the same exact thing, always go by this, okay? It's always numbers normally at the top. Dollar Tree is really, really doing it. Now, again with these names, the rooster, the dog, and the ox, and everything like that, honey, I don't know, but I do know I'm getting this, all right? Now, Dollar Tree also have these eyelashes as well. These are $1.25. Now, we have seen some of these, okay? They have the same thing: bird, cat, dog, dragon, pig, goat, horse. Honey, I don't know who's coming up with the names, all right? Now, let's move on. Also, Dollar Tree has these beautiful, gorgeous cosmetics bags. These are $1.25. Styling and definitely profiling. They come in different colors. They have this pink right here. They also have the blue, the yellow, and then they also have the green. Now, green is my favorite, like a chicken wing, but honey, that green is very bright. Now, Dollar Tree has also brought back the Blemish Control Oil-Free Clarifying Cleanser from Global Beauty. This is $1.25. I heard that this is really, really good. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried this. I can only bring you the heat to get you to move your feet out in these Dollar Tree streets, okay? Now, I'ma deliver, and what you do with it, honey, that's your business, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has this Marcella cleansing water, this little travel size from Bath and Beauty. No wrenching, no alcohol, no residue. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here moving. How it works: like a magnet, the cleansing agent capture and lift away makeup and impurities from the skin. Hello. Do I have to run it back again? Okay, all right. Few items I need to get from here. Oh, I wanted to try that dish detergent that they had. Honey, they done sold out of that thing. Okay, let me do what I need to do. Now, Dollar Tree also have these gorgeous headbands right here. These are $1.25, 4th of July theme. Absolutely love it. And then they also have the scrunchie over here. Honey, I know if you having a cookout, you inviting me and my chilling, okay? $1.25. Now, when I tell you these are definitely styling and profiling, look at these glasses, okay, for the grads. This is, honey, I am done. They also have the glasses, look at this, with the hat. Oh my goodness, absolutely love this. Creativity is on a trillion, child. These necklaces, class of 2025, like those as well, $1.25. Honey, now if you don't think this is cute, I don't know what you're on. These glasses, sunglasses over here, novelty heart glasses, $1.50. This is definitely styling and definitely profiling. Now get into the 4th of July theme. All right, they have the wooden beads. They also have the fringe banner, the hanging decoration, the 3 mini flags. They also have the table runners, which are really, really cute. Absolutely love this. Stars and stripes, the kitchen towel, honey, just right. They also have the bunting, I think that's how you pronounce it, $1.25. They also have the 13 window clings, $1.25. Look at the gnome out there showing out. The glitter star picks, you get 4 pieces for $1.25. Honey, get into it. 2 pieces, patriot bows, I guess that's how you say it. Wind spirals made in America. I love that. That is really, really nice. Now, Dollar Tree also have the wind sock over here. This is $1.25. They also have some cups over here. These tumblers, they are fancy, but my fave is definitely these. Oh my stars. Get your sparkle on. Love this, $1.25. They also have the champagne poppers that comes in 2 different colors, well 3. They have the red, the silver, and also the blue. Paper trays, anyone, you get 6 pieces for $1.25. Hot dog holders, 16 pieces for $1.25. Drink pouches, you get 6 pieces for $1.25. They also have these bowls up here, really, really cool, $1.25. And look at the banners, shaped like an ice. This is cute. Ooh, really nice. They also have the Dunder sticks, 2 pieces for $1.25. And if you are ready for summer like I am, Dollar Tree has the umbrella picks up here. You get 16 for $1.25. Cutlery sets, 24 pieces for $1.25. This is such a steal deal. 24-piece shot glasses for $1.25. More drink pouches, 6 pieces, $1.25. Table runners, honey, you name it, they are going to bring it. Now, Dollar Tree also have some more table runners. These are cute. I like these. They come in green, and then they also have this pink. Dollar Tree also have the balloons over here. 12 latex balloons for $1.25. Can coolers, feeling tropical, peace, love, and summer. Hanging decorations. Really, really nice. Okay, so I'm going to also go ahead and get this hand soap right here. This is watermelon and basil. I'm going to grab another one of these. And honey, we talked about this shampoo and conditioner. If you have hair like mine, honey, this just was a no-go for my hair. Maybe it'll work for yours. It looked fancy, but honey, it wasn't about nothing. Now listen, Sugarfoot, I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat. Listen, okay? You may have not been to Dollar Tree in a long time, but I'm going to have you move your feet, okay? Now stick around for a minute. Okay, let's get into it. More fun items are these mugs. Look at these with the initials on them. Now, honey, I was going to say, where's D? Right? They have D. Really, really nice. They also have the cleanser and exfoliating skin treatment too. This is $1.25. They also have some more jars over here. These are $1.25. I absolutely love this. And some cosmetic cases. You get 2 of these for $1.25. Shower collection, you get 1 shower towel scrunchie for $1.25. Some great Mother's Day gifts Dollar Tree has is this Brave Strong Love tabletop decor. Really, really cool. And then they also have these picture frames 4x6, and then these mirrors, which are $1.25. Absolutely love these. Now, Dollar Tree also have these trinkets right here. These are $1.25 as well. Now, this too, I absolutely love it. It's the vibrating jade roller. Oh my goodness, it feels so good on your face. Really, really good. Dollar Tree also have these Mother's Day bags right here. These are $1.25 along with these trays. Now, the trays don't go with them. The trays, they just have them here, $1.25. Another one of my favorites is this 4 ice cream bowls and 4 spoon set. These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the blue, the pink, and then they also have the green. Now, if you are looking for some storage items, this is spring summer theme. I absolutely love these colors. They are bright and just right. Really, really cool. $1.25. Now, I have to get like 2 other items. Like these rags. I tell you guys, when I come to the Dollar Tree, I absolutely love these rags that they have. And then I also have to get some dish detergent. Now, Dollar Tree also have these organizers with lid. This is really good. Q-tips, cotton swabs. Very, very good. This is $1.25. Absolutely love this. Now, they also have the stackable organizing drawer, $1.25. And then they also have these organizers as well, which are $1.25. 3 slots. Really good. So let me pick this up. Absolutely love these. And then also let me pick some sponges up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this Palm Olive Essential Clean Citrus Berry Splash. And this is a new one, they said. This one, and then they also have the watermelon with Fabuloso. And then I'm also going to get some 2 things of Fabuloso. And then I'm also going to grab this. And then also this. Okay, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was the makeup selection with the brows and stuff like that. That was really, really cool. And lip mood changing lipstick, really nice. $1.25. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.